Hey guys, welcome to the Bdthemes widget tutorial. Today, let's talk about the Atlas slider widget of the Ultimate Post Kit plugin. Atlas slider is built to have your blog site display a featured video post along with a thumb post slider. It's a simplified interface that delivers your post info without letting the visitors go further, all in one place. As you can see, the layout section only has an image size option to preserve the image resolution. From the query, you can limit the number of posts displayed on the slider using the scroll bar. Then you have the include/exclude option and other sorting options right below. The additional section holds a bunch of switchers that will show or hide specific items on the display. Just try yourself and see the changes. The slider settings section holds all the animation controls like the loop, autoplay, speed, etc. For example, you can turn off the loop and the slider as well as the thumb slider will stop looping the posts. Let's revert the changes. This is where we'll move on to the Style tab. From the first section, you can change the size of the play button in the middle of the featured post. Then you can customize the icon size too. Let's make the button background color a little bit different using the color option. Also, some border radius to make it appear in a square-like shape. From the title section, you can customize the title color and typography. Additionally, you can click on the Advanced Style switcher to unfold more style options for the title. Here, you get to change the background color of the title, add padding, border radius, and some more. As for the category, make the same changes to its background by the color, padding, and border. Then set the text color to white, the same as the title. You can change the color of the comments by applying a deeper color than usual for it. Now go for the thumb slider part customization. Let's first add some border radius to it for curving the angles a bit. You can place a border around it if you want. The same goes for the overlay color option. After that, set the same color for the thumb sliders, title hover color, and active color. Let's pick the same for the category too. Green for the hover, and black for normal. Lastly, customize the scroll bar on the thumb slider with a matching color. Then you are ready to display your blog post in a new and unique slider interface made by the Atlas slider widget. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Until next time.